we are going to apply some crackle. Okay,
Hi.
so y'all, I've used the Pintart crackle medium because I think it'll be cute. The biggest thing, since we are going to be applying transfers, is we're going to have to really make sure we get it dry so it doesn't stick. I'm going to go ahead, because I'm not painting this part, but we're going to stencil. I'm going to go ahead and add a coat of the liquid patina and just get a heads up on that. A little jump in that. Good. And I'm going to go back around those edges. I'm trying to stay off that gold. And I go different directions because I like the crackle going in different directions. Well, it's wet, but you can see where it's already crackling. I like it, I like it. I'll hold it up. I got a couple of my stencils. One is the cottage lace shawl. This is available on my website. This is designed by Mara, and I love it. And I thought this would be really cute. Now I'm gonna try this. Usually you wanna make sure you offload like crazy. And I normally don't stencil with chalk paint, just saying, but we are today. I'm just gonna hold it on there and we're gonna just do it. We're just gonna do it. And the transfers. Oh, y'all, okay. Seriously, look. Oh, I love it. I love it. I love it. Okay, which one? I don't know which one was crackle and which one was my liquid patina. I do want to do a coat of the liquid patina. And I will top coat that also. But before we apply our transfer, you want to get, it's a DIY liquid patina you can get from vintageretailtherapy.com. And it is a decoupage medium, a transfer medium, a base coat, top coat. It's like an all-in-one. But are the essential stencil transfers. Those of you that were fortunate enough to get the Easter pack will have these. Okay. So we're gonna be blinging. Oh, look at that big bunny. Oh, they're all so cute. Y'all, look at these. Are they not adorable? Okay, I'm gonna cut this one out. This is the first one that's really striking me. Well, so you know, they have the backing on them. Let's just kind of hover here for a moment. Okay, seriously, she's darling. All right. Now, I did want to put some pearls. All right, so we're gonna go around with some B7000. I'm gonna do it in sections. See, I mean, it's subtle, but it's sweet. And then, y'all, these are those, the roses that I coffee stain. And I love them. I love them. I know it looks super peach, but they look so real with that coffee stain. We're probably gonna pile those in there. Of course, we're gonna be blinging it. I'm just seeing here, we're just playing. We have those. I really like this crown though up there. But listen, we can always add, you can stack your bling, y'all. Let's stack our bling. We'll add a crown and a bow on our crown. Try not to burn myself. Okay, she is so cute. Oh, Diane Bush, you're new. Welcome. We're happy to have you here. You've never tried stacking bling? Oh, yes. Well, good. I'm glad I taught you something today, other than don't apply a transfer before your crackle is completely dry. Okay, we're just gonna add some throughout her flowers. And even if they're not, I mean, if you want to get fancy and try to match colors, I like the contrast. And I'm probably gonna add a few. Okay, you see, we just added the little rhinestone bling all up in her flowers. She's darling, she's so cute. Okay, now, let's see. I know I want to use these, but use both hot glue and some B7000. I know it's hard to see when you're upside down, but now that I did that, we might have to bring some around. Okay, we are part of her. That looks kind of cute. Let's do it. Listen, you know where more is more here. We're all about more. We've added the bow to her crown. Y'all, I like the roses. What we can do is we can take and we could just entwine. You know, I like to just make like little loops, little loop-to-dos. So we just kind of weave some little pearl little things so that can see. All right, they're using diamond dust her. Okay, we can do that. I'd be really happy if I could find my lid to my brand new B7000. We're gonna do this carefully, but we're doing it. She's so sweet. So we used the Essential Stencil Bunny Transfer. We used these little amber rhinestones up in those flowers, the crown, the bows, and I think she's so, so sweet. Of course, we put the little pearl bow on her neck. And I think it's cute.
Totally Dazzled sells sparkling rhinestone wedding supplies.